In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the translation features of Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're working on an international project or just exploring another language, knowing how to translate text directly within PowerPoint can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the updated features. Once it's open, go to the presentation you want to translate. You can open an existing file or start a new one. Next, navigate to the slide that contains the text you'd like to translate. Once you've found it, highlight the specific text you want to convert by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Now, let's move to the translation tools. Head to the Review tab located in the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. This section houses all your proofreading and editing tools, including language features. Within the Review tab, find and click the Translate option. A translation pane will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. PowerPoint will show a list of available languages that you can translate your selected text into. Choose your desired language, and PowerPoint will automatically perform the translation within seconds. Once the translation appears, click Insert to replace your original text with the newly translated version. This simple yet powerful tool allows you to incorporate multiple languages into your presentations without switching between apps or manually searching for translations online. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the translation features in Microsoft PowerPoint to make your slides accessible and multilingual with just a few clicks.